Early September, St Martin's Property Company offered us a 1-year licence to keep trading here, which should effectively mean that they can kick us out with 1 month's notice. And we're tenants here, and they should recognise that we're tenants here. We've been trading here for over 20 years.
4 years ago I was informed that because I was a food outlet I couldn't trade unless I signed a contract. I've now signed the contract 4 times and I've been advised that it makes it null and void. On Saturday the 9th of October I arrived from work as usual, and this is where I found my business. I'm absolutely devastated.
This is where the barrow was, just over here.
It's bad enough that with the state of the economy, the number of businesses shutting down is growing every day, let alone that these stallholders are being forced out when they've got perfectly viable businesses that contribute to the local economy.
So after we complained about the licence, we had a meeting with St Martin's, and they changed a few points, but a lot of the main points were not addressed and would make it very difficult for us to trade if we did sign that licence.
There are always big players, big property companies like the one who own this site. But most business in this country is single people on their own, it's small businesses. Many more people work for small businesses than work for big businesses. Britain is successful actually not because of the BPs of the world, but because of small businesses trading and doing stuff. Markets and market stalls are a key part of that. And the really important thing about the history of this site is that there have been market stalls here as well as retail outlets. The money from the retail outlets will normally go away from here to a national or international company and be distributed. The money from a market stall will normally go to people who live locally, spend in the community, and it means it's part of local community regeneration.
They've confiscated our barrows, taken our property, and we're just little guys.
The best outcome would be to allow the market traders who've been here with this as their only business for up to 25 years, nearly in some cases, to be able to stay trading here. I don't see they're doing any harm. I see they're adding value. They're bringing in extra character and quality and dimension and interest, but also they're adding to the local economy too. My job now is to go negotiate with the owners. Can I persuade Martin's Property Company, the Kuwaiti investment company, a foreign national investment arm of a rich country, to say actually there is an interest in these guys being able to stay. Now, if we can manage to allow these guys to be back with their stalls, doing business, especially in the run-up to the busiest time of the year before Christmas, that would be a really good thing.
We want St Martin's Property Company to respect our rights as traders here and work within the law to give us natural justice.